Hey guys, Pete Coman here on the Microsoft stand at InfoComm 2019 in Orlando, and I thought I would show you this. This is the brand new Microsoft Surface Hub 2 with the steel case stand. You can see there's a camera at the top, looks quite nice from the front. Look around the back and have a bit of a look. So apparently this is going to have well, not apparently, we know it's going to have a UPS option as well. So there's a custom UPS available from APC, and that will attach, I'm guessing, somewhere under here, part of that shelf. Obviously there's still a couple of cables, it's not totally wireless. You've got a power cable here and a network cable, and they run down and into the floor, like into a floor box or into the wall, and it looks like the cables would coil up around the edge of this shelf. I don't believe this version rotates, but apparently the next version will, so you'll be able to actually grab it and spin it 90 degrees in landscape mode. But yeah, quite a nice device. Let's see if we can, okay, so you can scroll. Some other Aussies been here before and written g'day, and obviously this is a beer. It looks kind of cool. It's the new Microsoft Surface Hub 2.